What's a sissy gang? What's a sissy gang? Back with another. I said sissy gang. Sissy gang. Back with another video. On point. Period. Um. And some chicken.
Are you okay?
It's not Kentucky Fried Chicken either.
He was there that day at the school, and he's talking to a pretty young teacher, an art teacher. Her name was Miss Broussard. Do you remember her? Broussard, I mean, yeah.
Come some water too.
I was hoping that you'd maybe have some sort of way of getting a hold of her. Oh, betray the school? I don't think she was there very long, though. Did she go back to Paris or Montreal or wherever she came from?
I put 2 packs of hot sauce.
Did you show that video of Amanda Katie yet? Did she recognize him? No, I haven't shown it to her yet. I didn't want to upset her. Yeah. I guess I should, though, huh? Okay, well, you know what? I'll call you back later, Adrian. Thank you so much, okay? Bye. All right, bye.
Okay.
Katie? Katie, where are you?
Let me go get my water, y'all. Alright. So what y'all been up to, y'all?
Agent Horgan, it's Janet. Katie's gone missing. I don't know where she is. What if he took her? Can you please call me?
So
Agent Horgan, it's Janet again. I found Katie. She came to the school. I'm not sure why, but she seems to be fine. I have to find it. What'd you say? Find what? You have to find what? care, and I won't be threatened. You think you can send your little henchman in here to try to scare me? I'm keeping this baby. You may not have your family name, but I don't care about that. I'm not after your money or anything from you. I'm keeping this baby, and there's nothing you can say to change my mind.
I'll clean this mess up. I'm gonna have to burn the body and remove her teeth so no one can ID her. Same goes for whoever's in that back room.
What do you say, Kane?
It's so good.
What are you looking at? What? What are we looking at? What do we see?
This is good, y'all.
Recording? You recorded the whole thing? The memory card. Where is it? Where is it? Tell me where it is. Where is it?
Can you tell me what you see? Tell me.
And I'm done, y'all.
Find it.
Well, y'all, that's it for y'all. Sorry I've been posting. I promise I'm gonna post tomorrow or later. And Sissy Gang is out.